To make chicken drumsticks, we're going to marinate the chicken. We've got 15 medium-sized chicken legs here. We've given the chicken a little cut, as you can see here, so when we marinate them, they can proper get the spices in here, into the chicken. We're going to use this marinade paste, which we can get from any Asian shop. We're going to use about half of yogurt. We've put half of yogurt in a bowl, and we're going to add to the yogurt about 4 tablespoons of this paste. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon of salt, or you can add salt to your taste. We've got 1 full teaspoon of garam masala. One full teaspoon of cumin seed powder, grounded cumin seed. We're going to add half fresh lemon juice, squeeze half fresh lemon juice straight into the mixture. Right, we've got all our ingredients in here, and we're going to mix this. We can add a full tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and give this a good mix as well. We can add the chicken straight into this mixture, and we're going to give it a good mixing. We're also going to get it into the cuts that we made into the chicken. Now we've got all this the mixture into the chicken, and we're going to cover this and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. We've got our vegetables here. We've got broccoli, carrots and sprouts. We're going to cut the carrots and wash them. And we're going to steam the vegetables. We also got roast potatoes, which are going to go into the oven later. Right, we've washed the sprouts and the broccoli, and just sprinkle a little bit of about a teaspoon of grounded black pepper and some salt to your taste. I'm going to steam these. We've also added the carrots to the steamer, and a little bit of salt on the carrots and a bit of black pepper. We've added 2 glasses of water and the the lid goes on top tight, and we let them steam for half an hour. We're going to make some mint sauce. We've got fresh mint from our garden, and we've got green chilies. We've cut them into small pieces. We've got fresh coriander, which is also cut. We're going to add a half teaspoon of salt. Five, 6 teaspoons of yogurt. Gonna add the chilies. And the mint mint.
Fresh mint. Fresh coriander.
A fresh coriander. Gonna grind everything together. That's our mint sauce is ready. We've got our roast potatoes here. They're going to go straight into the oven for 35 minutes. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Not going to use much oil. Just spread it all into your, like that. And we're going to add our drumsticks straight into the oil. We've added all the drumsticks in here, and we're going to cook these on a medium heat for about 30 minutes, but in between you have to turn them over one time. We'll put our lid on and let these cook for 30 minutes. There we are. We'll just check the vegetables, and they look beautifully steamed. Just going to check them. Yeah, that's fine, they're cooked. There we are, the chicken is nicely cooking, and when you can see the oil sizzling, the chicken is about done then. There we are, our chicken is also ready, and it needs to come out on a dish. With this remaining mixture, we're going to make gravy. We put a piece of butter in there. Just gonna melt the butter. We've got here 2 large tomatoes. We've got 1 large onion chopped chopped tomatoes. We've got a quarter piece of capsicum chopped, and we've got 3 garlic cloves also chopped, which are going to go into the mixture.
Onion.
First the onion goes in. We're going to cook the onion till it's slightly brown. We're now going to add the garlic. We're going to add half a spoon of cumin powder. We're now going to add the capsicum and the tomatoes and give it a good mix. Going to cook this for about 5 minutes. We're going to add the remaining water that we used to steam the vegetables. That goes straight into the mixture. Give it a good mix.
Vegetable.
We're also going to add 1 vegetable stock cube. We're going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. There we are, that's been cooking for 5 minutes and now the gravy is ready. Mix. Beautiful. We've just garnished that with fresh coriander. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of grounded cumin powder on there as well, on the gravy.